Hotel ni Shamungrogo Hastini Shikla Shikli Roni Bagai Kaisa Center of Excellence Snamzagni Thangai Tango Hastini ADC Amsai Komolongo Snamzagni A Center Sangrong Shalo ADC Haphangni Tata Stripe Te Tas Hotel Group ni Indian Hotel Company Limited eba ISCL ni Bishingo Kaisa Agreement Khwlaijak Agoliwa Ashal ni Agreement Sign Khwlaijak Ashal ni Shamungo Manjaka Bubagra Fredrik Kishore Manikya CEM Purnachandra Jamatia Lok Sabha ni MP Kriti Singh Debormate Montri Vrishoketu Debormano Kuvone Ozamasong Asalo ADC ni Chief Executive Officer eba CEO CK Jamatia Tata Stripe ni Chief Operating Officer Amia Vanjari Te ISCL ni General Manager Jayanta Das Ashale Agreement no sign Khwlaijak Kognargan Thangu Bubagra Fredrik Kishore Deborma Shaklaika Osal Laibumawo Seizagna Shalkhane Center of Excellence 250 zona Rungsrnai Rock Hotel Tongoi Service Sector Hotel Sector Te ISCL ni Shimi Rungsrungmuni Bagai Sepman Bainai
Jotono Kulungkha Shobaike Namaskar. Hello friends. Today is indeed a historic day. आज ऐतिहासिक दिन है कि आफ्टर असम टाटा स्ट्राइप इंडियन होटल कंपनी लिमिटेड which is a part of Tata Taj group of hotels TTADC after Assam has decided to open up a hospitality center of excellence in Khumulu. It will be a 250 student residential hospitality skill center जहाँ में our youngsters, our youth from Tripura and from the rest of Northeast will get proper management training for the service sector, hotel sector, and will also get proper practical knowledge training from the IHCL, which is popularly known as the Taj Group of Hotels. Tata is one of the most reputed companies in the country.
Ashalo Kognarna ni Thangai Bubagra Te Bushaka Tripura Hastini Logiwo Northeast ni Rungsrnai Rogni Surungmung Marinobu Te Bukara Khwlaina ni Bagaino O Memorandum of Understanding Sign Khwlaijak Khane Shakaleka Bubagra Bureau Report Kokkhara